My heart is at war with my thoughts. Oh, and I don't know which side is better. I try to connect all the...
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ebony if you are new here. In today's video we are doing another clean with me. So this is sort of part 2 to the first video that I put out in regards to cleaning the new home. So that's pretty much what we are doing today. I really wanted to detail clean the living room and the kitchen, so we're going to be tidying up all those spaces, and I'm just going to take you guys along with me today.
You say, what can I find in your love? What can I find in your love that don't cut like paper, babe? Either come close or stay away. Oh, this words are echoing inside of me. I don't wanna lead.
So I always like to clean top to bottom, so that's why I started off by wiping the walls and the baseboards, and then we vacuumed, and now I am using my wet vac to vacuum and mop just to get the rest of the trash, and then of course to mop as well. And then we are going to work our way into the kitchen. And regards to the kitchen, we're going to detail clean the cabinets, wipe out the refrigerator, so do all the things. So giving you lots of motivation today.
What can I find in love that don't cut like paper, babe? You said, what can I find in your love? What can I find in your love?
What can I find in your love? What can I find in your love?
What can I find in your love? What can I find in your love?
What can I find in your love? What can I find in your love?
So to wipe down these cabinets, I'm actually using my Clorox spray, so my disinfectant spray. I only use the disinfectant spray in the bathrooms and to clean like the doorknobs and light switches and stuff like that. But to clean the rest of the kitchen, I definitely use just Mrs. Meyer's all natural multi-purpose spray, just because I wanted to make sure it's safe all around all the food and stuff like that. So what I'm doing here is just cleaning out this area, so just moving all the boxes pretty much where they go, and then we are going to rearrange the couch and just put it back together. And then I don't have our rug. We hadn't brought our rug in yet. We had to wash it, so we just have it drying right now. So that's why I pretty much put the living room together without the rug. But I definitely liked how it turned out. Still lots of things to do, so we've gotten a lot done since I've recorded this video, because this was pretty much like step 1 of getting everything in the house, but now putting everything back and putting everything back together the way it's supposed to go.
Hit the roof, bottle your taste. It's really a bad reception out there. Where you heading? Why ain't gravity pulling you in closer to me? I've lost you, but I need you, and you're off my radar now. I've lost you, telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now. Found myself in between the lines, underneath your bed sheets. It started fun, but now I'm in too deep into this flow. A zero-sum game that I will lose. There's no zipping past it. Every time you walk away from me, I want you.
So me and this rug has like a love-hate relationship. So I bought this rug at like Boutique Rugs. So it's like an online rug shop, which I definitely love the quality of their rugs. They're definitely expensive. And the main reason why that one's particularly expensive is because it is washable. However, the only thing I'm like, is the sizing wrong? You guys will see me put the table back together in a little bit, or put the table on top of the rug in a little bit. But I don't know, I just feel like the rug is a little too small for the table and for that space. So I need your help. So in the comments below, let me know, do I need to purchase a new rug and purchase a rug that's a little bit wider to where all the chairs will fit on top of the rug when we pull the chairs out? Because as of right now, all the chairs fit underneath the table, but once we sit down at the table, it's going onto the hardwood floor. So just let me know in the comments below if you think I need to change it up or let it be.
Telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now. I've lost you. I've lost you. I keep on looking for you.
The next morning when the sun goes up, it might be the last day of you and me. You're lying next to me with heavy eyes, while I shiver inside with a heavy heart. I know what I've done, and I'm too afraid to let it go. If I could, I would turn back time. If I could, I would take it all back. If I could, I would bring back all the memories, not just only in my dreams. Oh, if I could. You know nothing at all about what's going down. Oh, like a shipwreck, I caught the sails loose. You're lying next to me with heavy eyes while I
If you are new here, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel here. I post on cleaning, organizing, laundry motivation, anything to motivate you to get something done. If you are needing that type of inspiration in your life right now, you'll definitely love it here. And I would love for you to be a part of my YouTube community here.
I would take it all back if I could. I would bring back all the memories, not just only in my dreams. Oh, if I could, I would turn back time. If I could, I would take it all back. If I could, I would bring back all the memories, not just only in my dreams. Oh, if I could.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how. Rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice. We time, you, I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how. Let this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say let's convey. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. Good girl. Show me something, give me more than one thing. I
me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby, I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right here we got so much time, looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I
Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it inspired you to get something done today. And as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
The things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love. I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third.